At SBS Brakes Inc., we specialize in remanufacturing air disc brake calipers to OEM standards. We begin with precise disassembly. We send all internal and external parts to a metal recycling facility to ensure our remanufacturing process uses only new components. High-pressure washing ensures removal of all contaminants, preparing the surface for treatment. Automated shot blasting achieves a uniform, clean surface, essential for optimal adhesion of the coating. We apply an electrostatically charged powder coat, ensuring even coverage and corrosion resistance. Oven-baked curing solidifies the coating, enhancing durability and lifespan. Reassembly includes new seals, new rubbers, pistons, adjusters, and guide pins, restoring the calipers to like-new condition. Our lead technician, who holds a degree in automotive mechatronics, is further enhancing his expertise through a specialized air brake source. With 15 years of extensive experience in brakes, suspension, and steering systems, he guarantees the highest standards of precision and quality in every assembly. SBS Brakes Inc. Engineering excellence, delivering reliability and performance.